Come Sunday, the Big Show's going to be running straight, slap dab in the middle of The Undertaker, and the Dead Man is going to be in a rage.
No pinfalls in this matchup. You got to get that paddle to pick up the win. What a swinging neckbreaker by Torrie Wilson.
Okay, I thought they're supposed to do this in their underwear, like bras and panties.
Oh, that was last week. Sorry, and look at Jamie Noble on the apron. What a clothesline! Go get him, girl!
Noble got dropped like a bad habit. Vertical snap suplex by Torrie Wilson. Textbook.
Torrie, impressive.
What the hell? What was that?
Marine.
That float.
And now Noble. Oh, man. Jamie Noble.
Power slam right there by Noble.
What was he doing?
He's helping out his main squeeze, his girl, Nydia.
And look at Nydia. Nydia is climbing to the top rope. Nydia is going for the paddle.
Nydia's going to get the wood, Cole.
Nydia's got the paddle. She's won the matchup. She cannot use the paddle of that damn Jamie Noble.
Jauh lagi. Paman. Ya aman. Ya paman gede.